for fruit hunting, and I chose jackfruit. I'm pretty sure I didn't try it before, but I'm not 100% sure. Maybe I tried it once in Bali, but yeah, not sure. Anyway, I want to try it again if I did it before. And it's one of the most popular fruits in vegetarian vegan cuisine. There are so many recipes available and I'm kind of fascinated about it, so I really want to taste it and maybe try a few recipes, which I will show with you later on. And this is, if you haven't seen this fruit before, it's one of the very popular Asian fruits. It's also very popular in India. I think it comes from India actually, and it can be really big. It's one of the biggest fruits on the planet. It can grow to 55 kilos, I believe, and it can be as big as 90 centimeters, so like my little legs. Anyway, I'm gonna try and find it in Kensington Market in Toronto. Yeah, guys are having fun with their dog over there. If you can see, the dog is baby and having fun. Anyway, so I'm gonna go to Kensington Market. I'm pretty sure I can find it there, but yeah, we will see. If not, we will go to one of the Asian supermarkets. It's actually really close to me, but somehow it seems a better choice to go all the way to Kingston Market. So yeah, let's do that and we'll talk later. And you have jackfruit?
No.
No? Hi.
What?
Do you have jackfruit?
No.
No? Okay, I tried several places in Kingston Market already. It seems like there is no jackfruit here. So I checked Google. Google told me that the most likely place to have jackfruit is the Bloor Fruit Market, which is like about half an hour walk from here. So I'm heading there, and hopefully I'll find it. Otherwise I'll need to choose another exotic fruit that I didn't try before. So see you soon. Is that jackfruit?
Yeah, just
Yeah? Do you sell like the whole thing? How much?
15 now.
Huh?
15 now.
1.5?
Oh,
Yeah, 1.5?
yeah.
Yeah?
It's very good, very sweet.
Very sweet.
Very sweet?
Yeah.
Luckily, before going all the way to Bloor Market, I decided just to check this place in Kingston Market. It's Dragon City Mall, and they actually had a jackfruit. So I'm very happy that I don't need to walk extra miles. And yeah, I'm gonna get home and try this beautiful, exotic and exciting fruit. Welcome back. Yeah, so I cut the jackfruit, looks like that. I took out all the seeds that are inside and all that's covering. They say it's also eatable, but I want to try only this flesh. And yeah, to be honest, all my cutting board and my knife and everything, my hands, they were covered with wax afterwards, so it's not a very pleasant procedure. But let's try it. Let's see, maybe it's the best fruit ever. Maybe it's worth it. So yeah, it looks yellow. When I was making research, it says that the best one should look a little bit orangey, so the yellow one might not be as fruity and as sweet as it can be. When I smell it, and from the visual aspect also, like it looks like bags, you know, inside there was a seed and it was covered with all the flesh, so that's how it looks. It smells very sweet. It actually reminds me of mango and melon, I would say. Like there is something reminds me of honey in the smell. Yeah, it's interesting, but it's like you can smell it. It's really sweet. Let's try. Really good. To my surprise, it's not as because when I was separating it from everything that was covered, everything that covered this fruit, I thought it might be like it will not be so easy to bite. Like I had this perception, but it's not. It's actually even a little bit crunchy. A little bit. It's sweet, but it's not too much as people were saying when I was making my research. Maybe because it's not orange. Maybe it's not like didn't reach the full ripe of the fruit, probably. But I like it. I don't like too sweet fruit, so. A little bit crunchy, I can hear it also when I chew it. What does it remind me? It reminds me of mango, really. But mango is more soft and this one is not. Tastes a lot like mango and maybe also pineapple. Something from the pineapple. A little bit of sour, but just a little bit. Yeah, I would definitely go for it, except for the part when you have to cut it. Like that's terrible. It takes so much time, and then you have to clean everything. By the way, the best way to clean it with oil, and then you clean oil with soap. So yeah. If we take out the part of cutting it, it's really good. I would eat it every day. But it was not so easy to find, so maybe not every day. What can you make with this fruit? You can eat it like that, or you can make smoothies, you can make desserts, you can make salads also. Also, I've heard that it's very popular in vegetarian and vegan cuisine. So, but maybe it's a different type of jackfruit. Like they were saying that one is not so sweet, and the texture it reminds of the fibers of meat. So they make different substitutions. For example, pulled pork, the vegan version. And yeah, I would really like to try it. Maybe I'll get some canned jackfruit next time for that. I will not cut the fresh fruit. yeah, so these are the ways how you can cook it. As far as I know, it's the first time I'm trying it, so I don't know everything. Yeah, otherwise, thumbs up.